my lovely people, how are you? I am doing fantastic. It is like almost 11 o'clock at night, but I am on my brand new computer. So this is the first time I'm filming on this. So I have a monitor right here that I'm looking at. Let me know if I'm too zoomed in. If you think I need to be zoomed out a little bit, I don't know. Please give me your feedback, because if you don't tell me, I won't know. Is it still echoing? Let me know if I need to fix the microphone. You know, let me all the tea if it's the focus is going in and out. Please let me know so I can fix it for the next video. All right, so this is the 2019, January 2019 Joah Box. Now, I am behind in a lot of my subscription unboxings because, if you don't know, I was having problems uploading and recording. So I still have, like, I'm looking down here, like my yes, so yes, and different things. If you guys still want me to unbox it, I know most of you probably know what's in it, but to see my reactions or what I think of it, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely do that. If you think, no, move on, it's almost February, that is okay too. Let me know. I'm still waiting on my allure. It still hasn't got here. So let me know what you think. Should I do the subscriptions or just forget about them and move on? All right, so if you don't know what this is, the Joah Box, this is a Korean subscription. This is $33 a month, or you can get a one-time box for $35.95, so $36. Now, it is a little bit pricey, but for K Beauty products, you're going to pay a little bit more for skincare. So if you are looking for a subscription box that's just makeup, this is not what this is. You can get hand care, skin care, hair care, makeup. You get everything in it, and that's why I like this subscription. And the skincare that I got in the past few boxes, I really, truly liked. So I think it's really worth it, actually, myself. So let's see what is in here. I do have a discount code. I believe it's ANN10. I'll leave it down below. You get 10% off. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. If you don't choose not to use it, that's fine. But I'll just leave everything down below. All right, so when you open the box, you always get this card that says Joah Box, and then this one says January. So I did email Joah Box and ask them what these cards meant, and they told me to save them. They're collectors, so you can save enough of them to play cards with. So this is the one of diamonds. So I think that's pretty cool. So if you do get this subscription, you know, save the cards, you know. All right. I also like that it comes with a pamphlet, and this tells you a little bit about each product, and it also gives you the retail value, which I like that too. All right, so the first thing that I see is this deep cleansing bubble mask. Now, I've tried bubble masks before from like e.l.f. and a few other brands, and for me, when it starts to bubble, it like tickles me, and I don't like it because I like want to scratch it off. But they're really fun to do. I'm going to put this in a giveaway, an upcoming giveaway for you guys to try it. Talking about giveaways, I have two going on right now. They end in a few days. I have an Ipsy giveaway. I'll leave that video down below. It is the Ipsy vs. Ipsy. And I also have a shampoo and conditioner giveaway going on as well. That ends February 1st, so Friday. So make sure that you enter them if you want to be entered. You just have to be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment on them videos, and like them. That's all you have to do. But I will put this in an upcoming video, because if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because in February is my 2-year anniversary, and I have a big giveaway. I have past 2 winners, possibly 3. I will explain that in the next giveaway, but right now I have like 8 eyeshadow palettes and a whole bunch of things, so make sure that you subscribe. All right. The next thing that I see is this Glam Tint Lip by Lips. So I do know with K Beauty products, I have got a lot of like lip oils and lip tints, and what that is, it's like pigmented, but not real pigmented, if that makes sense. It doesn't make any sense. It's pigment, not big. It's like sheer, you know, but I really do like them. I haven't tried that brand. So let me read up on that. Where you be? Where are you? Okay, so this is a Glam Tint by McQueen, and this retail values for $14. And it says long-lasting serum type of tint, comes in 3 variations. You've got red, coral, or rose. This lip tint can be applied for a full lip or a gradient Korean style. And what do I have? I believe, let's see what this says. I have the rose. All right, so I don't really smell a little bit of a fragrance, but I can't make out what it is. It's not like sweet or cupcake. So it's like a doe foot applicator like this. And I tend to like them when they're slanted because they go on your lips really good. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. That is nice and creamy. So this is, you know, if you put it on, it's not going to last long. If you eat something or drink something, it will come off. But this is I like lipsticks like this. I'm not into like the matte lipstick anymore. So I'm really excited about getting that. All right, the next thing is this Hydrate Hair Butter right there. I've never tried a hair butter, but let me read up on what this is. Okay, so this retails for $9. This is from Organics Hydrate Hair Butter by British M. And it says British M is a brand created by the top hairstylist in Seoul, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, and used by them in over 100 high-end hair salons here. The Organics Hydrate Hair Butter is formulated with shea butter and argan oil to soften and moisture your damaged hair. How to use? 2 options. First, apply after shampooing and leave in for 10 to 15 minutes as a hair mask, and then rinse it, or you can leave it in treatment by applying a small amount to the damaged area, hair ends. And that's probably what I'll do. This shampoo and conditioner that I've been using from Formulate, the one that's in a giveaway, has really made my hair shiny. But I do have a lot of like dead ends and split ends on the ends. So that's what I'll probably use this for, to keep it in. So that's exciting. Never tried a hair butter. Let me know in the comments below, have you guys tried a hair butter? If you have, what do you think of it? All right, the next thing we got is this hand and nail cream. So we got a hair product, we got a sheet mask, we got lips, and now we have the hand and nail cream. So it's basically like a full, you know, like face stuff. All right, so this would be $9. This is hand and nail cream by the Botanizyme. Says this cream is formulated with seeds and oils to deep moisture your hands and nails. It comes in 3 variations. You could have got the aromatic, floral, or the classic. And I got the floral. So this is white floral complex, it says. So that, you know what? Does this come with a safety seal? Let's see with this hair butter. Yes, it does. So that's good. All right, and let's open this up and see what this looks like. Because my hands always get very dry because it's cold here in New Jersey. So let's see. Oh, so this is a decent size. Sometimes you get a box and then it's very small. So that's pretty good. Let's see if it smells like. Well, this has a safety seal as well. Let's see. So that's good. I like that. All right, moving on. All right, I dropped my paper. Last but not least is What You Be. This is a hyaluronic acid. Waterfall Moist Balance Hyaluronic Acid. So I like the sound of that. All right, so this would be $23. And it says Waterfall Moist Balance Hyaluronic Acid 100 by The Plant Base. So that's the brand. And it says the Plant Base promises a healthy beauty with real natural skincare. This gem fills up skin and moisture and nourishment all the same time with 0 side effects. Next, it prevents moisture loss during the day by forming a strong skin barrier. As a result, your skin's natural reservoir of hydration remains the optimum levels. How to use: apply a few drops on a clean skin day and night. So that's definitely exciting too. So let's recap what we got. So we got some skincare, hyaluronic acid. I'm not complaining on that. We got a lip care, so you can see. I think that's awesome. I love the color. We got this hand and nail cream in floral, so I'm not knocking that. We also got for your hair, and we got a sheet mask that you get every month. And I really like that too. If you guys don't like sheet mask on Amazon or on Wish, you can get this thing that you put it over your sheet mask and put it behind your ears, and it holds the sheet mask in place. So if you're the type that can't lay back still for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, like myself, you can, I use sheet mask while I'm doing the dishes because it holds it from sliding off. If I can find it, I will leave that down below. It's like $1, maybe $2 the most, and I'm telling you, it is a lifesaver. So yeah, that's everything. It's $33. Let me know what you think of this box. Is it worth it? Would you get it? Let me know. And talking about that, where is, okay, oh geez, I'm dropping stuff. So I did get this from Octoly. This is called Amore Pacific. Now, I heard of this brand before, so I was excited to try that. So what this is what does it say? A dual nourishing lip serum. This retails for about $40. So I was really excited when they sent this to me. And I have been trying it. So it looks like this. And some ASMR moments. So there's still a lot in here. And it has a stopper, if you can see. Like that. And this is what the doe foot applicator looks like. But the problem is, when I put this on my lips, not a lot comes on. So you got to keep, you know, putting it on, putting it on. And it doesn't last long. Within 5 or 10 minutes, you go like this, and it's not on. And I don't like that. So really, I usually, with a clean hand, I take my finger like this, and then I shake it, and then I put it on. But I don't care for this to be $40. And let's see. ASMR. All right, enough of that. I told you it's after 11 o'clock at night. But let me know if you heard of this. Have you heard of this brand? Have you tried lip serums? If you have, what do you recommend? I'm always looking for a good lip serum, but I definitely do not recommend this. I'll leave the link, everything down below so you can check it out for yourself. But my opinion, I don't really care for it for the price, for $40. All right, guys, so that is everything. Please make sure you like this video. Check out the giveaways. Make sure that you subscribe so you can get in the future giveaways as well. And leave a comment. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I don't know why I keep clapping. But anyway, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.